Welcome to our channel. Testosterone levels in men have been a topic of increasing concern, particularly as studies indicate a gradual decline over the decades. This hormone plays a crucial role in various aspects of male health, significantly influencing muscle mass, fat burning, and sexual health. Testosterone is essential for building and maintaining muscle, as it promotes protein synthesis and muscle growth. Additionally, it aids in fat metabolism, helping to reduce body fat and improve overall body composition. Furthermore, testosterone is vital for sexual health, impacting libido, erectile function, and overall sexual performance. As levels of this hormone decrease with age or due to lifestyle factors, men may experience a range of issues, including reduced energy, increased body fat, and diminished sexual drive. In this video, we will provide actionable tips that can help boost testosterone levels naturally. Viewers will learn about the importance of regular exercise, particularly strength training, which has been shown to enhance testosterone production. Additionally, we will discuss the significance of a balanced diet rich in healthy fats, proteins, and essential nutrients that support hormonal health. Sleep quality and stress management will also be highlighted, as both play a critical role in maintaining optimal testosterone levels. Engaging in mindfulness practices and ensuring adequate rest can significantly impact hormonal balance. It's essential to understand that maintaining hormonal balance is not just about testosterone, it's about overall well-being. Hormones affect mood, energy levels, and even cognitive function, making it vital for men to pay attention to their hormonal health. By implementing these strategies, men can take proactive steps toward enhancing their testosterone levels, leading to improved physical health, better mood, and enhanced sexual vitality. Join us as we explore these tips and empower you to take charge of your hormonal health for a better quality of life. Diet plays a significant role in influencing testosterone levels, and certain foods can naturally boost this vital hormone. Incorporating specific items into your diet can lead to improved testosterone production and overall hormonal health. Fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to increased testosterone levels. These healthy fats not only support hormone production but also promote heart health and reduce inflammation. Leafy greens, like spinach and kale, are also beneficial. They are rich in magnesium, a mineral that has been shown to enhance testosterone levels when consumed in adequate amounts. Moreover, dietary fats are crucial for testosterone production. Healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated and saturated fats, play a vital role in hormone synthesis. Foods like avocados, olive oil, and nuts provide these beneficial fats, which can help maintain optimal testosterone levels. Conversely, diets low in healthy fats may lead to hormonal imbalances, underscoring the importance of including these nutrients in your meals. To incorporate testosterone-boosting foods into your diet, consider practical meal suggestions. Start your day with a breakfast that includes scrambled eggs cooked in olive oil, paired with a side of sautéed spinach. For lunch, a salad featuring mixed leafy greens topped with grilled salmon, avocado, and a sprinkle of nuts can provide a powerful testosterone-boosting combination. Dinner could include a hearty serving of lean beef or chicken, accompanied by steamed broccoli and quinoa, which offers both protein and essential nutrients. Snacking on almonds or walnuts can also be a great way to keep your energy up while supporting hormone health. By making these dietary adjustments and focusing on nutrient-rich foods, you can effectively support your testosterone levels and enhance your overall well-being. Vitamins and minerals play a crucial role in testosterone production, and understanding their importance can significantly impact hormonal health. Key nutrients such as vitamin D, zinc, and magnesium are particularly vital for maintaining optimal testosterone levels. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, is essential for hormone regulation. Studies have shown that men with sufficient vitamin D levels tend to have higher testosterone levels compared to those who are deficient. This nutrient can be obtained through sunlight exposure, but many individuals may not get enough, especially in regions with limited sunlight. Zinc is another critical mineral that supports testosterone production. It is involved in various biochemical processes, including hormone synthesis. A deficiency in zinc can lead to reduced testosterone levels and negatively affect overall health. Foods rich in zinc, such as oysters, red meat, and legumes, should be included in the diet to ensure adequate intake. Magnesium also plays a significant role in testosterone production, as it helps regulate various enzymatic reactions in the body. Foods like spinach, nuts, and whole grains are excellent sources of magnesium, but many people do not consume enough of these foods. For those with dietary deficiencies, supplementation may be necessary to support testosterone levels effectively. However, it is essential to approach supplementation with caution. Before starting any new supplements, it is crucial to consult with healthcare providers. They can assess individual needs, recommend appropriate dosages, and ensure that any supplements taken do not interfere with existing health conditions or medications. By understanding the importance of these vitamins and minerals and addressing any deficiencies, individuals can take proactive steps toward enhancing their testosterone levels and overall well-being. Prioritizing nutrient intake through diet and, when necessary, supplementation can lead to improved hormonal balance and a healthier lifestyle. Engaging in regular exercise is one of the most effective ways to enhance testosterone production, and different types of workouts can yield varying results. Resistance training, such as weightlifting, is particularly beneficial for boosting testosterone levels. This form of exercise involves lifting weights or using resistance bands to build muscle strength. Studies have shown that resistance training can lead to significant increases in testosterone, especially when performed at higher intensities and with compound movements that engage multiple muscle groups, such as squats and deadlifts. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is another effective exercise modality that can enhance testosterone production. HIIT involves short bursts of intense activity followed by brief recovery periods. This type of training not only improves cardiovascular fitness but also stimulates hormonal responses, including increased testosterone levels. The key difference between resistance training and HIIT lies in their approach. While resistance training focuses on building muscle, HIIT emphasizes cardiovascular endurance and metabolic conditioning. The intensity of exercise plays a crucial role in optimizing testosterone levels. Higher intensity workouts tend to produce greater hormonal responses compared to moderate or low intensity exercises. However, personal factors such as age, fitness level, and overall health should also be considered when designing an exercise program. It's essential to find a balance that challenges the body without leading to overtraining, which can have the opposite effect on hormone levels. Consistency in workouts is vital for achieving the best hormonal balance. Regular exercise not only helps maintain elevated testosterone levels but also contributes to overall physical and mental well-being. Establishing a routine that incorporates both resistance training and HIIT can maximize the benefits. Aim for at least 3 to 4 sessions per week, ensuring a mix of intensity and recovery. By committing to a consistent exercise regimen, individuals can effectively enhance their testosterone production and support their overall health and vitality. Lifestyle habits play a significant role in influencing testosterone levels, and adopting healthy practices can lead to improved hormonal health. One of the most critical factors is the quality of sleep. Adequate and restorative sleep is essential for maintaining optimal testosterone production. Studies have shown that men who consistently get less than 7 hours of quality sleep per night may experience lower testosterone levels. Prioritizing sleep hygiene, such as maintaining a regular sleep schedule, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and minimizing screen time before bed, can significantly enhance sleep quality and, in turn, support hormone balance. Stress reduction is another vital component for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Chronic stress leads to elevated cortisol levels, which can negatively impact testosterone production. Engaging in stress-reducing activities such as mindfulness, meditation, yoga, or even simple breathing exercises can help lower cortisol levels and promote a more balanced hormonal environment. Finding effective ways to manage stress is crucial for overall well-being and hormonal health. Additionally, it is essential to be mindful of endocrine disruptors, which are chemicals found in many common products that can interfere with hormone production. These disruptors can be present in plastics, personal care products, and even some household cleaners. To minimize exposure, consider using glass or stainless steel containers for food storage, opting for natural personal care products, and choosing organic foods when possible. Being aware of these substances can help protect hormonal health. Establishing a consistent daily routine can further support testosterone production. Regular meal times, exercise schedules, and sleep patterns can help regulate the body's internal clock, promoting hormonal balance. Incorporating healthy habits into a daily routine, such as balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and sufficient rest, can create a positive feedback loop that enhances testosterone levels. By focusing on these lifestyle habits, individuals can take proactive steps toward improving their hormonal health and overall quality of life. In summary, we've explored several key factors that play a crucial role in boosting testosterone levels, emphasizing the importance of diet, vitamins, exercise, and lifestyle habits. A well-balanced diet rich in testosterone-boosting foods, such as fatty fish, leafy greens, and healthy fats, is essential for supporting hormone production. Additionally, key nutrients like vitamin D, zinc, and magnesium are vital for maintaining optimal testosterone levels, and supplementation may be necessary for those with dietary deficiencies. We also discussed the effectiveness of different types of exercises, particularly resistance training and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, in enhancing testosterone production. The intensity of workouts, along with personal factors, can significantly influence hormonal health, making consistency in exercise routines vital for achieving the best results. Furthermore, we highlighted the importance of quality sleep and stress reduction, as both are critical for maintaining hormonal balance. Being mindful of endocrine disruptors in everyday products and establishing a consistent daily routine can further support testosterone production and overall well-being. Now that you have a comprehensive understanding of these factors, it's time to take actionable steps toward improving your hormonal health. Start by evaluating your diet, incorporating more testosterone-boosting foods, and ensuring you get adequate vitamins and minerals. Establish a regular exercise routine that includes both resistance training and HIIT, and prioritize quality sleep and stress management techniques. We encourage you to engage with this content by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends or family who may benefit from this information. Your support helps us create more valuable content focused on health and wellness. Together, let's take charge of our hormonal health and work towards a better quality of life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.